I am Ramagowda from Bangalore. I am an engineer but publishing a magazine called Shudra Shakti. I do agree with Dr. Zakir Naik as far as his thoughts are concerned, as far as one God is concerned. But Mr. Naik himself said the reformers of Hinduism have given stress on believing Vedas, not on Puranas. If that is so, can we agree with Kalki as an avatara? And second question, I will come with another two questions. If Kalki Purana and your version of Kalki could bring peace with the two religions in India, all right, give lot of publicity to it and try to win over the people. Second thing is, you said you quoted in Vedas, and a friend of mine also posed a question. The Vedas are not allowed to be read by all. It's a fact. Among Hindus, there are 4 Varnas. Except Brahmins, the other 3 Varnas are not allowed to read. Only the Kshatriyas and Vaishyas can hear, but Shudras are never allowed to read Vedas. They had no access to Vedas. So, what is Hinduism?
Therefore,
Can you call,
Sure.
can you say that Shudras are also Hindus?
Brother, very good
But
question.
you said Hindu is a...
Excuse me, brother.
People belong to certain area.
Brother,
I do agree.
please ask one question at a time. The brother asked 2 questions. I do agree with the second question I didn't answer. Not because I did not know the answer. I gave the first answer. Ask one question at a time. You can ask the second question. No problem. I'm here.
Okay.
My flight is 4:30 in the morning. One question at a time, and it'll be my pleasure. If I don't know, I will tell you I don't know. The brother asked 2 questions, and I gave the first answer. And when I sat down, I realized, oh, I forgot. I'm a human being. I'm not a computer. So the second question, after I sat down, I realized I didn't answer. Thank you for reminding. Your main question, first question, you said that the Hindu reformers said don't follow Puranas, only follow Vedas. So why have I quoted Kalki Purana? If I leave it out, what will happen? Brother, towards the end of my talk, I told you very clearly that I have quoted Vedas as well as the other Hindu scriptures. Even if you remove from my talk all the quotation of all the other scriptures besides the Veda, my talk would be the same. I am talking about the last and final messenger, not only from the Puranas, not only from Kalki Purana. I gave so many references from Vedas. I think you didn't hear. If you want, I can repeat it. Do you want me to repeat? Rig Ved, book number 1, hymn number 13, verse number 3. Rig Ved, book number 1, hymn number 18, verse number 9. Rig Ved, book number 1, hymn number 142, verse number 3. Tens and hundreds of quotation only from Veda talking about Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I told you in my talk that even if you remove Kalki Purana, remove Kalki Avatar, yet there is Narashansa, there is Kaurama, there is Abhandhu, in Atharva Ved, in Sam Ved, in Rig Ved, all the 4 Vedas I give, all 4, 100% all 4. Prophecies I mentioned in my talk, only few, limited time. You understand, brother? So even if you remove Kalki Purana, Kalki Avatar, yet there will be peace by only following Vedas. This believes in Tala Vila Kalmitin Sava in Baina Bainakum. Come to common terms, I have been asking you. I know many Hindus respect the Bhagavad Gita, respect Purana, therefore I quoted Purana and Bhagavad Gita. Even if you remove Purana and Bhagavad Gita, there is jihad even in Rig Ved. There is jihad in Rig Ved, and there are many things. So even if you quote Ved, my talk would be, majority would be the same. Hope that answers the question. Now coming to your